3. This one.
3. What's up, guys? It's Clayton J. We're back with another. Wait, how does it go again? Hey, what's up, guys? My friend Jay. We're back with another video. What's up, guys? How's it going? I'm at the mall. God damn. I feel like my channel is just gonna be turning into like, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. My channel's my channel. Okay, I'm gonna talk what I want to talk. God damn. I'm at the mall, guys, by myself. It's a Tuesday. What did I do today? I had therapy. And then after therapy, I came down here. I got some new shoes because I went to the other outlet mall. Got they had good deals. I got 4 pairs of shoes, 3 Adidas because Adidas is my favorite. Brand. I got 3 Adidas shoes and 1 Nike shoes for running. And I'm pretty happy. And it was under $200. It was like 190. Under 200 for 4 shoes, dude. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Now I'm at the mall because I came down for my laptop because it's broken. So I'm at the Apple store. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm eating because every time I come down to this mall, I always get Chinese. So we got my Chinese food. Yes, sir, boys. This is a lot. I'm just in a good mood because I just realized that, like, I don't know, it sucks that, like, it took me this long to be my best friend. I'm my own best friend. Like, I'm 24 years old now, and I love being alone by myself. Like I'm just happy. Like, everything in my life's going really well right now. My work life is good. Like, obviously, I don't want to be a detailer for the rest of my life, but I enjoy that. You know, I'm the boss back there. I'm the one hiring my guys. I love my guys back there, and I enjoy being there. My love life is going really good. You know, I'm happy. I'm seeing someone, and I like her. She mid. She cool. Maybe someday she'll be on this. You know, we'll see how it goes. You know, we'll see though. Okay. I don't think she's really a person that likes to be in front of the camera. She usually is the person that, like, all my videos that you watch from Ninja, she's the one that's recording it. Because she's usually like, I think she, like, when I go to her house, you know, like, she has pictures, and I don't know, she's everything. She's like an artist, she's a photographer, she's everything, okay? Everything in one human. But she cool. And everything, like, I'm just loving life, you know? I had therapy today, and I enjoyed talking to her today, and it's just cool seeing how much I've progressed already, you know? And I'm gonna cry. I'm so emotional. I'm just happy, okay? I'm happy. And look, I'm at the mall alone. Like, the old me would have been, I'm talking to a phone. There's people all around here. And I would be so embarrassed and, like, shy, but I don't care. Like, I'm my own best friend. I love myself. I'm happy. And I'm just living my life, you know? I realize no one actually probably cares that anything I can do. I can probably sit on top of this table and, like, grind on the table, and no one will care, you know? Like, it's just crazy that, like, anxiety doesn't need to be a thing. It is a thing because I have hella anxiety. Lately, I think my anxiety has been going down, which I'm really happy about that. But I don't know. Just thank you, Lord. Thank you, higher universe, for giving me a great life right now. Because I'm in a great mood. Okay. By the way, Top is in the car. I just came in because I'm a little early, so I'm just going to eat a little bit. I have probably 20 minutes. And then I'm going to go to the Apple store, and then I'm going to grab Top. Like, he's in my car right now, and we're going to go to Pleasant Pines for him because we're already down here. And then that's the day. And then go home. And, yeah. Then the next day, you know how it goes.
That's 10% off your dog's grooming, boarding, daycare. That's also 10% off in the boutique on all of your retail needs.
Topper.
And now, VIP members get 10%
Hey,
off.
big boy. Hey. Oh, what, big boy? Mwah. I love you. I love you. Oh. He's been in a good mood lately. I don't know why. He's just been so happy lately. Topper's always happy though. So I got some new shoes. So start with these. Adidas is my favorite brand. If you haven't noticed, I have everything. Everything I wear is Adidas, literally. Hey Top, dude, look. I'm filming. I'm filming a video. Get up here. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down all the way. Stay. Okay. So I got these. These are my ninja shoes right now. Yeah, they're so cute. You guys want to know what size I wear? Yeah, it's kind of embarrassing. US size 4. I swear to God, like last year I was a size 6. But I feel like back in the day I like to wear a couple sizes bigger. I think a lot of trans guys do that. But more short guys, I guess, but like a lot of trans guys are short guys. But yeah. These are cute. These I usually... Topper, come on. These I usually wear to Ninja. Well, not usually. I just got them like 2 days ago. So I just started wearing these to Ninja. And I've been getting a lot of compliments. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. And then, so... Oh, I'll start with these. So, then I have these. These are my running shoes. I bought these for running because these were on... These I think were like 90 bucks. Something like that. So they were not on clearance. These were on clearance for like 30 bucks. So I was like, 30 bucks. That's not that bad. So I'll try them out. The only thing I don't like is how like limpy this is back here. That like every time I walk, like when I put my front heel first and then, or like my toes first heel, I feel like my foot's gonna come off. I don't know. I've only worn this like 2 or 3 times, and I don't know what I think about them, but like I've already paid for them, so I'm using them. So, so these are sexy. Oh yeah, these are sexy. Black on black. I like these a lot. I think I'm gonna put something inside them to stretch them out because they're just very, very like obviously they're brand new, so they're stiff, and I just don't like the feeling of stiff shoes. So yeah, I have not worn these at all. And then these ones. Oh yeah, I got the black on white, the white on black, whatever the hell. And then I like these. I was funny because I showed I FaceTimed, the girl I'm dating, and I told her I showed her like a little haul of my shoes. I was so excited, and then I showed her these, and I was like, these are probably my favorite ones because I like the white on black, but I don't want to get dirty, so I'm not gonna wear them. She's like, what? And I was like, you know what? Never mind. I will wear these for the first time when I officially ask her. Like I was like, when I officially ask you to be my girlfriend, I'll wear these. So now it's funny because it's like now, every time I go pick her up, she's always she's gonna be looking at my shoes. She's like, what shoes are you wearing? So I'm gonna maybe I'll wear these, and then when I ask at the end of the night or something, I'll put these on. I don't know. They're cute. I like these. Yeah. So those are my shoes. Boom, 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 boom. Like that. Yeah, I like them. Oh, I love you. Look how cute he is. Get you a dog. They're the best thing in the world. Even though he smells ratchet. Yeah, you smell ratchet. Did you hear me? What are you doing, Tapper? Come here. Oh my God, it's just a baby. It's just a baby. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're just a baby.
I'm not gonna hit you. Hey, we're gonna practice. I'm not gonna punch your face. I'm not gonna punch your back. That could really hurt. And I'm not gonna punch your face.
It's just gonna be a half one. He's gonna let you go warm up. Just little pop.
Alright.
Little.
Don't hurt me hard. I'm not gonna hurt
Oh my God.
Alright?
Keep your mouth closed. Go smiling.
Okay.
And a little, just a touch back. Don't jump forwards because that's gonna be more force. Just a little drifty backwards, Jim.
I'm
that,
not
don't
gonna
be in
hurt.
that stance.
I have to because you're.
Okay, because you're ready. 1, 2, 3.
Easy. You're professional. You're all right.
Okay, that wasn't bad.
I'm not gonna hurt you, and I'm not gonna punch you in the face.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Wait. This is Randy. This is my work boyfriend.
Yep.
Yeah. I gotta record him because I feel sad that someday we're not gonna hang out. So this is my boy. This is my homeboy. Daddy's paying tonight too.
Last time. Yep. I'm gonna have a heart attack.
Don't say that. I don't know what I would do without you, my boy. Am I embarrassing you yet? That's my boy.
Really?
Oh.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Damn, he hasn't seen it. How long has it been?
Hopper. Hi, bye-bye. Hi.
Oh, Toppy. I think it's only been 2 weeks, right?
Maybe.
It's only been 2 weeks. What the hell, Topper? Oh.
Yeah. Oh, let me help you. Oh.
Oh, Toppy. You let go of him, see if he's still crying. No, he's like, I'm done with you now. Topper. Damn, what you really digging?
Just gotta get that itch. Hi.
He's done. He's like, alright.
Hi.
Damn, he really going downtown.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, he's so happy. Oh, big boy. Are those new pants? I've never seen them.
No,
Oh.
not that.
Big swing. Okay, no. Why is my music turned off?
1. Alright. 2. What are you doing?
3. This one.
3.
Oh my gosh.